Tikki Tikki Tembo, retold by Arlen Mussel, illustrated by Blair Lent. Once upon a time, a long, long time ago, it was the custom of all the fathers and mothers in China to give their first and honored sons great long names. But second sons were given hardly any name at all. In a small mountain village, there lived a mother who had two little sons. Her second son she called Chang, which meant little or nothing. But her first and honored son she called Tikki Tikki Tembo Nosa Rambo Chariberry Richipiperi Pembo, which meant the most wonderful thing in the whole wide world. Here in the illustration we see a small house in which there's the mother and we have two kids who are playing with kite. Every morning the mother went to wash in a little stream near her home. The two boys always went chattering along with her. On the bank was an old well. "Don't go near the well," warned the mother, "or you will surely fall in." Here we can see the mother is cleaning the clothes in the stream and the two boys are going awfully close to the well. Right? They are playing with the kite and they are just running towards the well. The boys did not always mind their mother, and one day they were playing beside the well, and on the well when Chang fell in. Here we can see Chang, the guy in the yellow dress, is falling in the well. Tikki Tikki Tembo Nosa Rambo Cherryberry Richipiperi Pembo ran as fast as his little legs could carry him to his mother, and said, "Most honorable mother, Chang has fallen into the well." "The water roars, little blossom, I cannot hear you," said the mother. Then Tikki Tikki Tembo Nosa Rambo Cherryberry Richipiperi Pembo raised his voice and cried, "Oh, most honorable one, Chang has fallen into the well." "That troublesome boy," answered the mother. "Run and get the old man with the ladder to fish him out." Here we can see Tikki Tikki Tembo is telling her mother about Chang falling in the well. Then Tikki Tikki Tembo Nosa Rambo Cherryberry Richipiperi Pembo ran as fast as his little legs could carry him to the old man with the ladder and said, "Old man with the ladder, Chang has fallen into the well. Will you come and fish him out?" "So," said the old man with the ladder, "Chang has fallen into the well." Over here we can see that the old man is sitting with the tree. He has flowers around him. He has one in his hand and he seems to be enjoying the outside. Right? He has butterflies around him and other birds. And here's Tikki Tikki Tembo running to the old man. And he ran as fast as his old legs could carry him. Step over step, step over step, he went into the well, picked up little Chang, and step over step, step over step, brought him out of the well. Here we can see old man is carrying Chang outside. He pumped the water out of him and pushed the air into him, and pumped the water out of him and pushed the air into him. And soon Chang was just as good as ever. Here we can see the old man is trying to pump the water out and push the air in. Here we can see they are enjoying their festival. All the kids are enjoying the festival. Alright? Now, for several months, the boys did not go near the well, but after the festival of the eighth moon, they ran to the well to eat their rice cakes. We saw a picture right where they were enjoying the festival. What festival is it? Eighth moon. Here we see them enjoying and eating their rice cake, and look at Tikki Tikki Tembo. He is on the well and his one leg is outside. This calls for trouble. They ate near the well, they played around the well, they walked on the well, and Tikki Tikki Tembo, no sir, Rambo, Cherry Berry, Ruchi Pip, Perry Pambo fell into the well. Oh no, look at him, there he goes. And now Chang is going to ask for help. And look, he just threw his rice cake and he was like, gotta save my brother. Chang ran as fast as his little legs could carry him to his mother and said, Oh, most honorable mother, Tikki Tikki Tembo, no sir, Rambo, Cherry Berry, Ruchi Pip, Perry Pambo has fallen into the well. The water roars, little one. I cannot hear you. Little Chang took a deep breath. Oh, mother, most honorable, he panted. Tikki Tikki Tembo, no sir, Rambo, Cherry Berry, Ruchi Pip, Perry Pambo has fallen into the well. Tiresome child, what are you trying to say? Said his mother. Honorable mother, Cherry Berry Rambo Tikki Tikki, he gasped. Pip Pip has fallen into the well. Unfortunate son, surely the evil spirits have bewitched your tongue. Speak your brother's name with reverence. Poor little Chang was all out of breath from saying the great long name, and he didn't think he could say it one more time. But then he thought of his brother in the old well. See, his brother is almost drowning, so he has to say it again. Chang bowed his little head clear to the sand, took a deep breath, and slowly, very slowly said, Most honorable mother, Tikki Tikki Tembo, no sir, Rambo, Cherry Berry, Ruchi Pip, Perry Pambo is at the bottom of the well. Oh, not my first and honored son, heir of all I possess. Run quickly and tell the old man with the ladder that your brother has fallen into the well. Here we see that Chang was finally able to tell his mother. So Chang ran as fast as his little legs would carry him to the old man with the ladder. Under a tree, the old man with the ladder sat bowed and silent. Old man, shouted Chang. Come right away. Tikki Tikki Tembo, no sir, Rambo, Cherry Berry, Richie Pip, Perry Pambo has fallen into the stone well. Here we see that Chang is running to the old man, and here the old man is. But there was no answer. Puzzled, he waited. Then, with his very last bit of breath, he shouted, Old man with the ladder, Tikki Tikki Tembo, no sir, Rambo, Cherry Berry, Ruchi Pip, Perry Pambo is at the bottom of the well. Miserable child, you disturb my dream. I had floated into a purple mist and found my youth again. There were glittering getaways and jeweled blossoms. If I close my eyes, perhaps I will again return. Here we see the purple mist with the old man. Here is him, and he's just enjoying everything. He's like, Yay, I'm young. Poor little Chang was frightened. How could he say that great long name again? Please, old man with the ladder, please help my brother out of the cold well. Sir, said the old man with the ladder, your mother's precious pearl has fallen into the well. Here we can see that Chang is already taking the ladder with him to help the old man. Here they both are running towards the well. The old man with the ladder hurried as fast as his old legs could carry him. Step over step, he went into the well and step over step out of the well with the little boy in his arms. Then he pumped the water out of him and pushed the air into him, and pumped the water out of him and pushed the air into him. Here we can see the old man is doing the whole thing again, but this time with Tikki Tikki Tembo. But little Tikki Tikki Tembo, no sir, Rambo, Cherry Berry, Ruchi Perry Pembo had been in the water so long, all because of his great long name, that the moon rose many times before he was quite the same again. And from that day to this, the Chinese have always thought it wise to give all their children little short names instead of great long names. Here we can see Tikki Tikki Tembo is still not feeling well. They are having some tea, and old man is there to check up on him. And that's it for this book, Tikki Tikki Tembo.